Thank you, man. All right, we're in Dumfries and working on the carpet. And the previous client, we've done the carpets here before, and not in too bad of shape. So doesn't look too bad. The dining room looks pretty good. There's a few stains, but we're gonna work on that. We're gonna work on this area and right here where Quincy is in the traffic area here near the door. We're gonna work on that as well. And we're gonna work on this area right here, going downstairs to the basement and the hall area. Okay, we're doing the after video. This is the dining area. All done. Most of the stains came out. Look at this. Hallway. Entrance. Right by the sofa, there were some bad stains right there. By the sofa. I think that one stain didn't come out, but everything else looks a lot better. And then this is the stairs.